Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and selecting the image immediately. This lets you access context tools. Once selected, go to picture format so you can crop, resize, and adjust. You should also check layout options to control text wrapping. This matters for alignment. Make sure to note original dimensions before changes because undo is limited once you save. If the image looks low quality, pause and inspect the file source. Change to the high-res file now to avoid repeated fixes later. Once the picture format tools are open, crop first to remove distractions, drag handles and press crop again to confirm. You then resize by dragging corners while holding Shift so you preserve the aspect ratio and prevent distortion. If the image is tilted, use Rotate or the rotation handle for quick correction. Use more rotation options for exact degrees. Make sure to check position and wrap text so resizing doesn't shift text unexpectedly. Adjust anchoring if the image you finish by improving appearance. Use corrections for sharpness and brightness and color to fix white balance so the image reads correctly in print or on screen. If file size is a concern, use compress pictures and pick a resolution that matches output, print, or screen because overcompressing ruins quality. Finally, save a copy before finalizing so you can revert. If something goes wrong, restore that copy. If Word still alters quality, reinsert the original high-res file and repeat the color and crop steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.